Welcome to Brewfix, where coffee meets craftsmanship. If you're a coffee enthusiast, barista, or technician who's tired of pulling shots that should taste amazing but somehow don't, this video is for you. I repair espresso machines every day, descaling boilers, cleaning internals, replacing OEM parts, fixing pressure and temperature issues, and I can tell you this with confidence. Most bad-tasting coffee isn't caused by bad beans or bad grinders. It's caused by one method people avoid because it's inconvenient, time-consuming, and honestly, it sucks. But if you learn it and apply it properly, it will completely transform your coffee flavor. Why your coffee tastes flat, even when everything looks right. Most people assume flavor problems come from grind size, brew ratio, or the coffee itself. But after fixing hundreds of machines, I've seen a pattern. Machines that appear fine on the outside are often disgusting on the inside. Scale buildup, old coffee oils, biofilm, and partially clogged passages slowly destroy flavor long before the machine actually breaks. Pressure might still hit 9 bars. Temperature might still read correctly, yet the water traveling through your system is contaminated before it ever touches the coffee. That's why shots taste dull, bitter, hollow, or harsh, and tweaking recipes doesn't fix it. The method everyone avoids because it's uncomfortable. The method that fixes this is deep internal cleaning and descaling done the right way, not the quick backflush or tablet rinse people rely on. This means opening the machine, isolating circuits, descaling boilers and heat exchangers correctly, flushing solenoids, cleaning group internals, and removing built-up residue from areas water touches every single shot. It's not glamorous, it takes time, and it forces you to face what's actually happening inside your machine, which is exactly why most people avoid it. But this is the point where flavor problems finally make sense. What changes when you do this properly? Once this method is done correctly, the change in coffee flavor is immediate and dramatic. Acidity becomes cleaner instead of sharp. Sweetness shows up where it never existed before, and bitterness stops overpowering everything else. Shots extract more evenly because water flow stabilizes, temperatures recover more consistently, and pressure spikes disappear. From a technician's perspective, the machine suddenly behaves predictably again. And from a drinker's perspective, the coffee finally tastes like what the roaster intended. Why shortcuts make things worse? Here's the dangerous part. Partial cleaning often makes flavor worse. Mixing fresh descaler with old scale, loosening debris without fully flushing it, or backflushing without addressing internal buildup can push contaminants deeper into the system. I've fixed many machines that tasted worse after cleaning because shortcuts were taken. This is why understanding the order, chemistry, and flow paths inside espresso machines matters. Flavor problems are mechanical problems in disguise. How this method saves you money long-term. Beyond flavor, this method dramatically extends machine life. Scale destroys heating elements, clogs valves, and causes thermal instability that leads to expensive failures. When machines are properly cleaned and maintained internally, parts last longer, diagnostics become easier, and catastrophic breakdowns become rare. Whether you're a home user or a technician, this approach saves money, time, and frustration while keeping coffee quality consistently high. The technician mindset shift. This method forces a mindset shift. Stop treating espresso machines like black boxes and start seeing them as precision water systems. Once you understand how water, heat, pressure, and cleanliness interact, flavor stops being mysterious. You stop guessing. You stop chasing grind settings endlessly. Instead, you fix the root cause, and the coffee improves as a result. If your coffee tastes off and nothing seems to fix it, this method is probably what you've been avoiding. It's not fun, it's not fast, but it works. And in my experience, it's the single biggest leap forward most people ever make in coffee quality. Here at Brewfix, I document real repairs, real diagnostics, and the behind-the-scenes work that actually makes machines perform like new again. If you want better coffee without guessing, this is where you learn how it really works.